Hello friends, welcome to Magic World TV. We are here with another interesting video. You can see we have lots of animals stuck in the mud ground. So we will be reviewing these animals and learning some facts about them. So keep watching. The water is perfect. So let's start washing these muddy animals. Let's see which animal is first. Wow, it's a deer. A deer is a herbivorous animal. Deers have these bunch of horns on their head which helps them from protecting their prey. Deer. Let's wash it. So the next animal is a horse. Horse is a beautiful wild animal. It's also a domestical farm animal. Horses are one of the social animals in the world. Horse. Horse. Our next animal is a lioness. A lioness is a female of a lion. Lioness are primary hunter of the tribe. Lioness. Lioness. Next is a polar bear. Polar bear is a wild animal, but it is also a marine mammal. They are mostly found in the colder regions of the world. Polar bear. Next animal is a beastly and very angry animal. It's a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are herbivorous animals, but they are very heavy in weight. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Let's put this rhino in our truck. Our next animal is the largest land mammal. It's a giraffe. Giraffe have these spots which protect them from sun rays. Giraffe, a beautiful animal. Next animal is one of the cleverest and carnivorous wild animal, a fox. A very cunning wild animal, fox. Fox. Zebra. Zebra is a herbivorous and beautiful animal in the world. Zebra. Zebra. Let's put the zebra in our truck. Let's look for the next animal. It's a hippopotamus. Look at the big mouth and the strong teeth. Hippos are herbivorous. They spend most of their time in the water. Hippos are considered third largest, heaviest mammal on Earth. One of the cutest land animal. It's a panda. Panda. Let's put this panda in our truck. Our next animal is one of the most powerful animal of the wildlife habitat. It's a tiger. Tigers can be very stronger than lion. Tiger. Tiger. A beautiful animal, tiger. Next up is the king of the jungle, a lion. Beautiful lion. Lion. Let's put the lion in our truck. Let's look for the next animal. It's a leopard. Leopards are the fastest land animal on Earth. They have the lean and aerodynamic body which helps them in running faster. They can run up to 130 kilometers per hour. Leopard. Next up is a brown bear. Brown bears are wild animals. Brown bear. Brown bear. Let's put the brown bear in our truck. Our last animal from today's video is a beautiful African elephant. African elephants are mostly found in African forests. They are wild animals with a beautiful tusk and a trunk. I hope you liked today's video. If you like videos like these, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like these. And I'll see you next time. Bye.